Hey guys, Stipe Miocic here, UFC heavyweight, and I'm also a fireman. And with being a fireman, I'm all about safety. Drowning is the #1 cause of death for children between the ages of 1 and 4. And I have the LifeSaver Pool fence just for that reason. My daughter Mila just turned a year old, and knowing having this up at all times keeps her out, keeps her mind at ease. Honestly, and one thing I noticed with this thing too is that it's strong. I mean, honestly, it just looks so clean and keeps my mind at ease knowing that this thing's up. And God forbid, if I left the door open, my daughter gets out, she's not going to be drowning. She's going to be screaming to come back in the house because she can't get in. You know, and it's cool. And you can't just open the gate, you have to push down, lift up. And also, it's very durable, and just the flexibility with it too. It's not just stuck. You know, it's like, you know, the baby pushes you know, to come off of it, but it's not going to hurt her. And, you know, like I feel like a better parent, like I'm doing something right.